Welcome to the FilePilot Software FilePilot Copy webinar Part 1. Today we'll do a brief PowerPoint presentation talking about the FilePilot Copier. We're talking about the fastest file copying product on the market. And FilePilot Copy was created to address a number of shortcomings found in existing copier products. And our overall philosophy is to provide tools that are powerful and convenient for IT to use. So for example, our installation has no registry changes, nor drivers installed. We provide a site license, any user can run it, multiple copies can be running at the same time, and no agents are required. And you can opt for a perpetual or time-based license. Overall focus is to help IT manage resources efficiently. And for example, our greatest feature is that we can create the shortest cutover window for completing copy jobs such as data migration, backups, DR, or instrumentation copy. And what is the focus of FilePilot Copy design itself? Well, we focus on speed, accuracy, and security. Speed for a shorter cutover window, which is the key attribute of any copier. And accuracy starts with our Explorer-style folder selection with visual clues for making sure that the correct source and target paths are selected. Correctness in the actual files copied using standard drivers provided by Windows for accessing remote files. Security, this tool doesn't expose the files and folders to the users. But at this point, you may be saying to yourself, there are several file copier products available. How is FilePilot Copy different? To answer that, let's back up and look at what the others are doing. The others use old code. It's code that's been around for a while, old Windows APIs, old programming libraries. In a word, it's slow. The classic view of the file system directory structure as used and approach to tree walking is slow. Other issues are complex script option combinations found in products like RoboCopy that trip up script writers because mutually exclusive settings are allowed. So why should IT staff be spending time fiddling with copy options? Slow to get a copy set up. It's inefficient use of remote access, not leveraging best Microsoft drivers. That's also slow. One could make an observation that they don't even expect exceptions. And of course, you're going to have files open. It's slow to process. So what is our solution? Well, our solution is based on leveraging Microsoft's latest software across all supported platforms. Microsoft doesn't even do that. Its RoboCopy versions are tied to specific platforms. And we optimize file buffer size for fast. A directory tree walk is so fast, we are planning on applying for a patent. And we expect the user environment to have file open conditions, and we process it accordingly, and that makes us fast. And the bottom line is we're real-time software coders, so we get fast. Even our logging approach is unique in that we designed it to not be blocking, and that makes it fast. So how big is the difference? Well, customers tell us we copy as fast as others run updates. That's right, we copy as fast as others run updates. So on our Part 2 presentation, you'll get to see the demo. In this case, let's go back to the contents of the first screen where we proposed 60 terabytes in 12 hours. How is that possible, and what are we talking about? Well, if you break it down, 60 terabytes of one copier on standard Windows servers, gigabyte connection, it's about 7 days. Now, you can break it up because, again, with FilePilot Copy, you can have multiple copiers. So break it up to 6 copiers. So now they're each doing 10 terabytes, and a full copy takes just over a day. Now, when you want to do an update, so you've done the full copy, now you're doing your daily updates, you're looking at less than an hour to do your update. And in that time period, you can even copy 126 gigabytes just on a 50 megabyte per second connection. And we have actually observed in our own lab testing, depending on data configuration, up to 17 gigabytes per second during an update session.
So you can see that we offer the fastest product on the market today. Please check out our Part 2 demo, see just how fast our product is. Thank you.